Yo, peace and love, everybody. Today we have another beautiful sneaker. This one is one of my favorites. It's in my top 5. It comes from Lisa, and it is a UA sneaker. So I gotta say, I don't condone the resale or manufacture or the condoning of these sneakers. I just get them as gifts. I don't really care where they come from. They could come from the dark pits of hell. I wouldn't care where they came from. It's a beautiful gift. It's the Jordan Rookie of the Year. I thank you guys for stopping through the channel, checking out the video once again. And I can't stress enough how much I really value you guys' support. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up right about now, and let's just jump right into the video. So we have the Rookie of the Years, and the shoe's just beautiful. You guys know I love sail, browns, tans, mochas, and these are right on that list. The silhouette, of course, is just beautiful, man. I mean, this one's gonna be kind of hard because I'm gonna say it's just beautiful the whole time, but just look at everything, man. Look at the details. They really remind me of this shoe right here. You guys remember I did this video? If you haven't seen it, please go check it out. This shoe's fire too, but I do love this Rookie of the Year a little better. I mean, this doesn't take the cake. I have other favorites, like this shoe and this shoe is kind of like the two that got away from me, and I finally got someone to send me this shoe. Shout out to Lisa. I really appreciate it. Got 9.5. And one thing about this shoe is, like, you don't see it very much. I don't know when they dropped. There's I guess that's what he scored his rookie season. Jordan just killed it. That's no big deal. He's got a nice little message for you guys right there. You can pause that and check it out. But again, you just don't see this sneaker very often. And man, that tumbled leather is, man, look at that. And I'm not going to do the finger sway transitioning thing. There's the insides for all you guys that like to see that, scammers. But again, like I was saying, for the hold on real quick before we jump into that, this is what Jordan was wearing. And to keep it a buck with y'all, I don't even know what kind of shirt that is that he's wearing. Like, I'm gonna tell you what, like back in the day when I was a youngster, I'd love Jordan shoes, but I never could understand his sense of style. Like, I don't even know who his stylist could have been. And low key, I heard it was Kawhi Leonard, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know what he was doing with those pants back in the day. I mean, to this day now, he still wears pants like that. I don't know what kind of cut that is. That ain't even boot cut. That's alien cut. That's Jordan. We just gonna call that Jordan cut. But I'm gonna say when he was dunking on people like this, I can't let just roast Michael Jordan. When he was dunking on people like this, though, it kind of helped his, fashion sense. And with this pic right here, it's not that bad. And believe me, it wasn't hard to find these pictures at all. I mean, I think the jacket's the worst part of it. But let's just get into the on feet, because I mean the black light actually. And on the black light, I'm just gonna save you some time now. There was nothing. There was no blown out stitching. There wasn't any markings from glue or anything like that. There's nothing. They just probably cleaned them up really well. I respect that because I love the shoe.
Try Lance Mountain here real quick.
Oh, hold on, I need you to do a tap. You warmed up?
Just like that, the hourglass. Looking good, yep.
Okay.
How do these get so dirty already? I don't know, it's all good. Someone's gonna get them anyway.
You can see everything.
Yeah, oh, you can. That's a great shot.
That was a good spot.
It is. We found the money shot.
I need to turn the auto servo back on. It's just like the old camera.
I love it. Oh. Let's just wait. Let's just wait.
All the kids.
It's hilarious.
The intro was good.
Oh,
Oh, isn't this nice here? This
It's
way, right?
hilarious.
it's one of the cowboy.
Is it? I don't. Well,
Should we go somewhere else? We got the intro.
I think it's hilarious.
I did not know that was
This
going
is
to happen.
so funny.
I did not know that
That's
was
what happens when you do reviews out in the Wild Blue Yonder.
Yeah?
You dude? Come on, it's like, oh, screw this.
No, we're good. We got everything.
That's 18 mil. That's not very wide. Yo, what's good, guys? The goal today was to get Comex on footing and intro and all that stuff done. And then we're going to do the on feet for the Rookie of the Years. I'm still getting used to this new camera, but I love the Rookie of the Years. Lisa, shout out again. Thank you for sending these through. It's in my top 5 Jordan 1s of all of all time, and I'm not joking when I say that. Like, they're in my top 5. Probably like number 2. Like, I just love the color. Dang, this thing right here. I love the colors, the scheme of like the Chicago's. Like, that's the like, I just love that colorway. And 2 videos, 1 stone, 2 stones. Doesn't matter how many stones, we're gonna get knocked out. Comac's not used to this, but he's gonna be good at it. He's gonna be good at it. Like, I bet you, he's gonna be good at it. He's gonna be great at it. You good, bro?
Yeah. Solid now. We're at Acacia Park.
Can you see yourself?
Yeah, I can
Don't
see
be
it.
talking to the camera. See yourself. Like, see, it's hard. There you go.
All right, the skate test. Let's do this.
I think he's gonna like do some tricks or something like that. I have no idea.
Shoe for anybody who wears 10.5, 11, or even if you just want to win these. I'm doing a giveaway at the end of the month, so make sure you subscribe, like the channel. Rookie of the year. I mean, you can't.
What are your thoughts on the Rookie of the Years?
Golden.
Seriously, would you wear them?
Come on, dude. Okay, let's get the back of your shirt.
It's got to be around it. Like that's how the limits was. Okay.
I can't see you. I'm just
No,
holding.
leave it right there. Just I'll go with it. Just go with it. I'll go with it. They're coming back around. They're being like hella nosy. Like, what are they doing?
Oh, good.
Are those real content creators, Mom? Can I go back around just to see?
It's okay.
There we go. They're showing the what is that, Tom?
Jerry. Tom's the cat.
And then it has the off-white,
The off-white.
but in like the Tom and Jerry style. Because usually off-white's just the X with the square around it.
Right?
On some Masonic. And
It's already recording.
Okay. Let's see. Is it on purpose?
It's okay.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Now you have to be the one to make sure the back is in. The back getting is the back good.
Straighten it out like the shirt. Down.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Okay.
Okay. What about all the back stuff? I don't even know what the fuck's in the back.
It's dope.
Really?
Yeah, it's super dope.
It's not too dark, is it?
No. You're fully framed. It looks good to me.
Okay.
You want to like tie a shoe or something?
That's a good idea.
Like unlace it and tie it. 150.
Bye-bye, no big deal. You can walk in front. Oh, no, it's okay.
Oh, you're fine. ISO's at 100. Yeah, we look good, dude. I like it. I like it.
All right. Oh, shit. Huh. You sure?
Yeah, I was recording the whole time.
I've been shooting 4K this whole time. Okay, just walk out the frame. Walk out the frame and come take a look. Oh, that was smooth. Oh, you did the smooth walk. All right. Come on around here.
So those like stickers or?
No, it's just the tagging that it comes with.
That's really cool.
It is pretty cool. Look.
It's like something you would buy like.
Virgil.
Virgil knows he's doing.
Shout out to Lisa. If I haven't said it, I think I did. I don't know if I did or not, but shout out to Lisa for hooking it up. Oh, there's copyright music in here. I don't know if it's picking up. I don't know if it's picking up the music. I don't know.
Yeah, probably.
Let's stop this. I'm gonna stop this. But I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna stop this. All right, we're on it. We gotta be on it.
Gotta be on it. Oh, we just need a quiet spot.
Right.
That's what we're doing. Quiet spot.
What did he say? Voters?
I don't know
He
what
wanted
it
to get to the whole voting thing?
I wasn't really even listening.
Oh, crap.
Comac and Colo culture.
That's one of the few guys that I would pay to watch play.
It's like Christmas.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, just the back shoe.
Oh, that's it.
Yo, that song is amazing. That one. Look how clean it does it too. The focus. Tap this one up.
It's polished.
That's amazing. All right, stop that clip. Stop that clip.